Zaka from Point2. Today I want to explain about biotechnology is biotechnology and science tema tema 1. Biotechnology is consisting three Latin words, namely is bios means life, techno means application, and logos means science. Out of this, it can be concluded that biotechnology is study of the principles of utilization or application of living things, bacteria, fungi, and eggs. Through modern techniques to transform raw material through the biotechnology transformation is into useful product. Biotechnology has been found for thousands of years to produce the development product of microorganisms. The examples such as bread, cheese, beer, and others. However, over time, if application is biotechnology can create various the technology such as genetic engineered up to cloning. Characteri- Characteristic the feature of biotechnology product. A product can be called biotechnology product if it meets certain conditions. First, in the process of making a product, it must involve the science of relates to or super biotechnology such as microbiology, food technology, engineering, or molecular biology. Second, the product must use the assistance of living things such as bacteria, fungi, animals, and plants in the manufacturing process. So there is my explanation about uh, science term 2. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.